In this video, I'll show you how to turn on comments on YouTube videos. It's a very simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it until the end. Give me a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever during the video. The first thing you need to know is you can't really turn on comments from the YouTube app. So you need to download the YouTube Studio app. To do that, you want to go on the App Store and type in Studio right here, and when you are there, you just want to download YouTube Studio, or you can type YouTube Studio. When it's open, you want to go on it and select the video that you want to enable the comments for. Let's sort by my most viewed videos, click on this one, and what we can do is actually click this button, the pencil at the top, and then you want to click on the second option. Before it's at advanced settings, now it's this option. Click here, and then here is the section comments. You can allow comments, you can remove comments. So this is all you have to do. If this video helped you out, all you gotta do is give me a like, because this helps me out. I want to see you in the next video.